My name is Eli Walker. I'm the curator here at the Cheetah Conservation Fund. I've been here on and off since 2011. And here at CCF, we are focused, our mission is entirely focused towards conserving the cheetah in the wild. So we are identifying and addressing the primary threats facing the cheetah and doing everything that we can to address those issues. Towards the end of last year, we had some funding available for monitoring and surveillance technologies. I started doing a lot of research, and that's when I discovered the capabilities of LoRaWAN and LoRa networks. That's when I found Smart Parks, an organization based outside of Holland, and I reached out to them, and through the communications that we've had with them, we decided to go ahead and partner with Smart Parks and work to deploy one of these systems here at CCF. And the LoRa, it's a low power, long range network protocol that allows us to deploy battery powered sensors throughout the landscapes that we're monitoring and managing. So we here at CCF are managing a very large landscape, and having sensors that are battery powered that can communicate in real time with us presents a very big advantage for our monitoring abilities throughout the landscape, because we don't necessarily have to go driving around as much as we previously might have had to understand what's going on around the property, whether that be the location of animals, or that be electric fence statuses, or the water level and water tanks, or our dams, so on and so forth. This system allows us to have kind of eyes throughout the property at all times. So lots of advantages on that side. So all of our discussions started towards the end of last year and really picked up at the beginning of this year. But obviously with the onset of coronavirus and COVID-19, the whole world was thrown into disarray. But Smart Parks was an amazing partner to work with, and they've been fantastic making a plan and figuring out how to continue forward with our plans to deploy this technology here at CCF despite the state of the world. So we're extremely grateful to Smart Parks for everything that they've done. They thought quickly and organized a plan using a local vendor here in Namibia, Teltech, as kind of the on-the-ground contractors for Smart Parks, and everything's been super smooth. It's been an absolute pleasure to work with these guys. So huge thank you to Smart Parks and to Teltech for making all of this possible for us.